Check out Foot Locker's Launch app reservation procedure. With the Launch Locator, select launch products can now be reserved at your favorite store, right from the Foot Locker app. Plus, you can earn head starts to advance your countdown clock. Here's how. Download the Foot Locker app and open the Launch Locator. Make sure you enable push notifications, beacon notifications, and location services. Choose the release you want and tap the red button to search by city or zip code for stores near you that will be launching this product. The list provides specific procedures for each store and lets you know the submission deadline. If the release is available via the app procedure, select up to 3 locations under the App Reservations title bar. Then select your shoe size, and that's it. The countdown clock begins. Click the My Countdowns button to check your progress, or click the tab anytime from Launch Locator. Here you can make edits, see the time remaining on your countdown clock, and get details on head starts you've earned for the release selected. Head starts increase your chances of being able to reserve the shoe by advancing your countdown clock. Once your countdown clock expires, you will receive the outcome of your submission. Click the Reservations button or tab at the bottom to view results for all app reservations you've made. Once your reservation is confirmed, just click on the release to view your pickup details. Remember, to get your sneakers, you must present your photo ID and show your app confirmation at the store indicated. Want to learn more? Visit the Launch Reservation page today.